Are you looking to utilize your iOS system for a photogrammetry workflow? Here at Rowe Dental Lab, we have our Archbridge kit, which would be perfect for you to fit inside this space. Our Archbridge kit is a series of 10 scan bodies that you can plug into the mouth and use your iOS system almost just like you would with a photogrammetry system without a huge investment. If you're looking for the most efficient workflow to use your Archbridge scan bodies day of surgery as well as your in-office printer, let's talk a little bit about what that would look like. So day of surgery, you have your patient in the chair. You can use one of three things as what we like to call our fiducial, or our constant that's used along with our Archbridge scans. That fiducial can be one of three things. First, either being teeth, second being a TAD, or third being a fixation base of a great product like our Combi guide or our Chrome surgical guide. Either of those three will work just fine. We just need something that's a constant in the mouth before surgery and after surgery. So what we'll have you do is go ahead and take scans with that fiducial in place, upper, lower, as well as the bite, capturing that fiducial. You want to make sure you're rolling onto the buccal if you're going to be using a fixation base as your fiducial, or if you're capturing teeth or the TAD, you capture that in full. From there, go ahead and do your surgery as normal, extract the teeth, reduce bone, place implants, and then once everything is in, you are going to place your multi-unit abutments onto the implant sites as well as your Archbridge scan bodies. When you capture this scan with the Archbridge scan bodies in, it's important to capture the tissue as well as the fiducial surrounding it in that scan, meaning we want to see the fixation base, the teeth, or the TAD all captured in that same scan with your Archbridge scan bodies. From there, go ahead and take the Archbridge scan bodies out. You can place comfort caps on and lightly suture or don't suture, whichever your preference is, and then go ahead and capture a scan of the tissue for us and send that to Rowe. From there, we can either complete a design service for you where we can do the design, you can print yourself in office, or if you don't have a printer and want to still do photogrammetry, grammetry workflow, you can submit those scans to Rowe and we can make a prosthesis for you and ship it out to you. Now, if you are choosing to have us do design services, please remember we do need you to go ahead and book those ahead of time, so our design team is waiting and ready for your scans when you submit them. We can do something as fast as a 1 hour turnaround depending on what kind of timing you and your patient are looking for. Once you then get those files back, you can go ahead and print in office and load your temporary prosthesis. And there you have it. That's going to be our day of surgery Archbridge workflow. If you'd like to learn more or check out our Archbridge kit, go ahead and follow the link below to our shop where you can preview pricing and more details. Thank you so much, and we look forward to working on your first Archbridge case with you.